It has never been easier to engage visitors on your website and your client's website and guide them in the right direction to convert them into sales as a main goal. Now you can relax. MaxConvert does it for you easy and fast. It combines the power of 5 apps in one central dashboard to build and publish personalized sticky bars, splash screens, pop-ups, countdown timers, and notification boxes in just 4 easy steps. So, with MaxConvert, you get everything Max. Max personalization, max engagement, max sales, max profits, and max life. In just 4 simple steps, turn any website, blog, or landing page into a personalized engagement, leads, and sales magnet. Step 1. Choose a proven converting and DFY template. You get hundreds of ready-to-use notification templates to choose from according to your goals. They're beautiful and built only to get you more conversions and sales. Step 2. Edit your template with a drag and drop what you see is what you get editor. It gives you complete freedom to create a campaign for any goal. You can add or edit anything: text, video, images, countdown timers, and more. It's easy and fast. Step 3. Make it personalized. Get more conversions. This advanced AI-based targeting first helps you understand user behavior, and then it shows your best offers to the targeted audience. You can show your message according to geolocation, time spent on site, cart abandonment, any URL visit, and much more. Step 4. Copy, paste, and profit. Now, copy the one line of code and paste it on your websites, pages, blogs, or funnels and see leads and sales flowing in like a pro. So, what do you do online? MaxConvert helps you boost your engagement, sales, and your life. Are you an info product seller? Engage maximum visitors on your ebook or training sales pages or blog with personalized notifications and get them hooked for life. Are you a freelancer, agency, or selling services to clients? Sell more services and attract more clients by showing your portfolio, recommending your best service pack, offering discount coupons when they're most engaged, create scarcity using countdown timers, and get more clients like never before. Do you run an e-com or Shopify store? Recommend products, show time-based discount coupons, and show them the product they left in their cart on their last visit to close the maximum number of sales. Isn't it super awesome? And that's not all. You can do much more. Are you an affiliate marketer or blogger? Show the best offers suited to every visitor's needs according to content category. Grab more leads and affiliate link clicks. Are you a coach or consultant? Generate more appointments, sell more training sessions, nurture your audience, and get more and more high-paying clients. Are you a local business owner? Get maximum exposure to your top in-demand service, generate more leads, and sell more services and products locally. Let's see what makes MaxConvert a cut above the rest. MaxConvert allows you to show personalized notifications to your visitors when they're hyper-engaged and increase sales and revenue. With MaxConvert, the sky is the limit. Generate more webinar registrations, get maximum social sharing and targeted social traffic, and boost your customer relationships by showing the best training videos. You'll get hundreds of DFY templates with a fully drag and drop, ultra fast and easy, what you see is what you get pop-up editor to create campaigns for any goal or any niche with just a few clicks. We have designed it to be completely newbie friendly to accomplish tasks at a pro level. Easily and effortlessly add images, your logo, any video, call to action buttons, headline text, social media icons, forms, countdown timers, offers and discount coupons, engaging shapes, fonts, customizable colors, links, elements, and much more. Get precise analytics to know your numbers and find out what's performing well and what simply is not working. And what makes it even more powerful? MaxConvert works easily with all website and landing page building platforms such as Shopify, WordPress, Wix, ClickFunnels, Magento, Lead Pages, Unbounce, WooCommerce, and almost any website that's built with plain HTML. There's also more than 50 other cool features in store for you. Well, that's something incredible, and surely with MaxConvert, your growth prospects are truly endless. Just build your first notification campaign with MaxConvert, and it will do the rest for you 24/7. Even while you're watching your favorite web series on Netflix, fishing with your family near the bay, letting yourself loose on the dance floor, or watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. No installation, no coding or designing, and no other techie stuff required. In just 4 easy steps, turn your website and pages into personalized leads and sales magnets. It's easy, fast, and built with love. It's your ultimate business opportunity, as you also get a limited time commercial license to provide highly in-demand services and charge monthly or yearly to your clients. And I'm sure all of this will completely blow your mind.